Previously on Florida Coast Detecting.
And a quarter. Penny. Look at that. Third penny. At least out of that hole. 3 pennies in that hole.
Today, our story picks up at Jensen Beach. Wait a minute. We're back at Jensen Beach again? Why can't we go somewhere nice this time like Key West or Marco Island or Sanibel Island, where all those rich people drop all them nice goodies there on the beach to find? We got to go back to Jensen Beach? All right. Let's get into it.
It is Memorial Day weekend, May 25th. We're gonna hit this beach probably for 2 to 3 hours. There's a lot of people here too. I'm messing around with a new GoPro camera. Got a new Hero 12. And I got some microphones coming. Try and stick one up next to the headphones so you can hear what I hear and still get me talking. Although I'm still trying to get used to talking to a camera in public. It's weird.
Find any gold today?
I just got here.
Oh, somebody was already here. I thought you were just on.
Alright, let's hit this beach. Potentially something good there. just a bottle cap. More like foil. Just a tent stick. Something else in there. Two tent sticks. We got a target, a 2, 3, it's going to be trash. Let's see what it is. It's like a wire. Red tone? Yeah, that's what it is. Just bread tone.
That means someone's got bread out there. How about telling them to make me a turkey and cheese and bacon sandwich with rye? That'd go down pretty good right about now.
Alright, we got a signal here. Kind of in the wet. Looks like 78 to 81. That's it right there. Yep. Aluminum or... no, that's steel. Some kind of steel from something. I'm gonna guess trash. It's the same thing. That's aluminum though. Just a little bit of aluminum. Got a target here. It's 85. It's not a very loud signal. Just trash.
Okay.
And we got a pit. As long as we got a coin, I'm alright with it. I'll dig up all the trash. Just give me at least one coin. That is looks like a 2023 shield. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, we got a target here. 93, 94. Could possibly be a quarter. And it's out. There it is. There's that quarter. Not sure what state that is, but it's quarter. I don't recognize it. Alright, on to the next target. Alright, we got another target on the what side? It's like a 55, 6. Got another target here. 88, 89. Maybe that's a dot. Maybe not. It's in the scoop. price drop too. Super shiny. 2015 or 16. I think it's 2016. Not too bad. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Alright, we got another one pretty close to that dime. Got an 83, 84. Maybe another dime. I just spiraled out from that first target. We got this one. Alright, so this is good. Memorial penny.
So she's found 37 cents so far today. Tell me something, how much does good luck cost these days? I think we need to set up a GoFundMe.
Alright, let's keep going. Alright, got another target here. 80, 85, 89.
Ah, Swanee. At this rate, I ain't never gonna get paid for these voiceovers. Jeez.
Well, that's all for this beach. We did get some coins. I missed getting some bottle caps for you. They were laying really just right on top of the sand. Wasn't like it was a guess or anything. So we got a few coins. I think it was a dime, a quarter, and a penny. And we'll go on to the next beach. I think we're going to go to a dog beach next. Maybe we can get something different.
Folks, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you very much for joining us today. I know our videos are quite a bit different from all them other detecting videos on the YouTubes. We're a little bit different, but I hope we've earned your subscription today, and hopefully we'll see you again next week. Y'all have a good one.